You see the perfect setup. The liquidity is swept. The bias is clear. And you're just waiting for that one last confirmation. But then it happens. The market shoots off 100 pips without you. And you hesitated. You overanalyzed. And right now, you're left chasing the move, or even worse, revenge trading. Now, if this sounds like your everyday trading mode, I got you. Because the truth is, you don't have a strategy problem. You have an execution problem. And I've been there. And this is the exact 15-minute rule that I'm going to introduce to you that took me out of stressed out retail trader mode into the real predator mode. And this is what the 1% traders actually use to stay calm while every retail trader is out there panicking. So let's dive right in and fix your execution problem once and for all. So the question right now is, why do we hesitate? Why do we do it as retail traders? Now, it's simply because we're trying to be perfect. We're trying to be right. And trying to be right doesn't align well with trading, because we can't have 5 indicators, lining up, and, we can't have the news being clear. We can't have all the stars to align in trading. This is trading. It is imperfect in all its ways, because guess what? We never know the probability of the move until it happens. And that's a fact. But I want you to look at this, because in the markets, perfection is the enemy. It is the enemy of your profits. And I want you to lock into that. Now, come close. I truly want you to lock into this, because guess what? I've got a secret for you. The banks don't wait for perfection. They wait for one thing. You know what that thing is? Liquidity. When you learn to understand that the market is just a series of liquidity hunts over and over and over again, that's when trading becomes stress-free. That's when trading becomes zero stress. That's when profitability spikes to its highest level. Because now you understand that you're looking for when the banks are moving and not just looking for random reasons to trade. So now you're strategic, you're mechanical in your approach. And I'm going to give you that mechanical approach in a minute, but I want you to get the perspective here, because most of you are really praised in the market. And what I'm teaching you today is how to become predators. You're waiting for the predator signal. And that's one signal. One signal. That's the liquidity hunt. That's the liquidity sweep. That's the stop hunt. That's what you're waiting for. So I'm about to change this trading game for you. Lock into this, because I've got a 3-step predator checklist for you if you lock into this by the end of this video. So let me take you in on these charts where I dominate these 15-minute predator rule, and I show you how I dominate it too. Now, here's the rule that changed everything for me. I call this the predator's pause. I want you to take a look at this on these charts. Now, most traders enter the moment they see a candle break a level. So you've got a support level like this. As soon as they see price break, they jump in. This is how you get wicked out. This is how you lose your money. The 15-minute rule is simple. We never enter on a breaking candle. We only enter on the close. That is fundamental. Now, why should you wait for the close? Why should you even listen to what I'm actually showing you? Now, I want you to understand this. The wick is the trap. The close is the commitment. What do I actually mean by this? Now, when a 15-minute candle sweeps liquidity and then closes back inside the range, that is the institutional footprint that you need to see. That is your green light. By waiting for these extra few minutes, you will be eliminating 80% of false signals, 80% of bad entries. You aren't chasing price. You are waiting for price to prove itself to you. If you can't trust the move, how can you get in? That is the most important bit. Now, this one shift alone will lower your heart rate by 50%. You won't have your heart going like this in a setup because guess what? You're looking into the predator's pause, which is our 15-minute rule to fix that bit of hesitation or that bit of chasing the setup before the commitment comes into play. Now, right now, you're going to want to grab your pens and your notepads because I'm going to give you the framework, the 3 steps to sniper entries, the 3 steps to stop hesitating. I'm going to give you them. But before I even go any further, if you're getting any value from these videos that I'm dropping week after week, make sure you hit that like button and drop a comment down below to say exactly where you're watching from. And never forget to hype this video because it does a lot for the channel and it signals to Kerry that I am adding value to your trading journey. So let me go in to step number 1. This is where we talk about the repeatable process into the non-negotiable steps. So rule number 1. This is simple. We wait for the hunt. The hunt is literally where you're identifying where retail stops are sitting. And if you understand that, they're usually positioned at support or resistance levels, highs and lows. Them swing highs, them swing lows, depending on if we're buying or selling, you know what I'm actually showing you. So that's your step 1. Step 2, we need a sweep around those support and resistance levels, those swing highs, swing lows. We need price to sweep below or above that level and literally show us some sort of step 3, the reclaim, which is waiting for that 15-minute candle to close back above or below the level. That is your sniper entry. Your stop loss goes right at the tip of the wick and your target is the next pool of liquidity or your next support or resistance zone. There's no guessing here. You're just following the footprint of the predators. That's how easy this is. Now, we're on the charts, and I'm going to break this down to you based on an exact setup that I took. But here's the thing. I told you on Sunday in our last liquidity map. I gave you this level, and I executed according to the plan. Now, this is US30. Now, I'm going to give you the exact link to the liquidity map right above here, just so that you're reminded that I gave you this level. Now, step number 1, according to our 15-minute rule, the predator's pause, we want to see the hunt. The hunt is all about where our retail stop losses positioned. Now, a lot of stop losses are positioned up here because, of course, this is a what? A resistance level. A lot of resistance traders are thinking that they're automatically going to sell when price hits this level. So their stop losses will be positioned above the area here. So this is what a simple retail trader would be positioned to do. Stop above here and they'll be targeting potentially down here or wherever in terms of what their risk to reward is, right? So ideally, they would have been stopped out. That's the point, right? So retail stops are positioned above here because we had a last high here. It is a swing high. Stop losses are up here, but not only stop losses, there are a lot of breakout buyers positioned up here to buy the breakout too. So what happens is that a lot of liquidity is sitting up here. A lot of money is sitting up here. So what do we wait for? We know this is the hunt. We want to see that sweep. So we got a lovely wick here on the 1 hour time frame, and now we're having a bearish engulfing candle. Perfect. Now, if we pop down to the 15-minute, this is where everything gets more interesting, isn't it? Right? So 15-minute, very clear, very solid. We've pushed up above the level. And can we get a reclaim? That's our third step. So we have the hunt above the level. We've got a strong sweep, wick rejection, very solid. Nice engulfing candle afterwards. Now, can we get a reclaim back below? To close below the level to indicate that sellers are truly in control of this territory? That's the question. All right, so perfect. What we need now is that reclaim. Look at that. Strong close back below the zone. Now, do we chase this move? We have no need to chase the move. What we need to do instead is to look at this strong level right here. So I'm going to highlight this. And what we want after the reclaim is the pullback. Because what we're going to ride is the pullback. So we've got this level right here that we want to see price pulling back into, and we'll be waiting around here because we ain't chasing, we're actually trading. So we're going to position ourselves right around this level, stop loss above that zone, and we're literally in a place where we're going to be looking to target back into this zone, or potentially a mere 1 to 3 will do, right? Because everything has lined up according to the plan. We're seeing the hunt, we're seeing the reclaim on the 15-minute. We're not chasing, we're waiting for price to now come back for us to take us into that trade so that we can get the entire move going back down. We want a move that we can truly trust. That's the thing that you ought to focus on as a trader. If you can't trust the move, it will make no sense for you. You will always be in a place where you're losing instead of being in a place where you're actually executing the right way. Look at that. Price came exactly back for us at that level. Look, exactly back for us. If I move this over without touching all of that, it came exactly back for us, and you'd have seen that fundamentally we're moving nicely into profits. So just take a look at this. Zero stress, zero drawdown. You ain't rushing, you ain't panicking. You're just setting up your move according to what? The footprints of the reclaim. Now, I want you to understand that this is simple. This is what we do all day, every day, and we do not change the plan. We execute according to the same system, and I'm sharing that with you right here on YouTube. So I want you to lock into this. Now, right at this level, we noticed that price was stalling a bit. Now, notice how price decided to push up. Yes, my full 1 to 3 may not have been complete, but I understand price action, and this is where you have to understand it too. The trend here is majorly bullish. So if you see that on the higher time frame here, all price was doing was respecting this area, right? Respecting it. And as soon as it came further in, you would have seen bullish impressions coming through. You're not in here to live. You're in here to execute and walk away. So this is a very simple system, and you can clearly see that we would have made pretty much more than 1 to 2.5 on this actual setup. We would have executed according to the plan, and we would have made profits. It would have been really good and a smooth transition into the actual trade. Now, of course, positioning here right after for a buy, that's another thing that we will have to cover in our next video. But by now, you must understand the zero stress framework that I am showing you, and this is what I use all day, every day. Now, I want you to really be in a place where you understand what I'm actually showing you. Because here's the truth. My mission here is simple. It's to help you to become profitable way quicker than it took me to get to profitability. And it took me 3 years to get here. But the truth is, it doesn't have to take you that long. So my mission is simple. It's to help you to get to profitability. Now, you have the ability to be profitable. You just have to lock into the discipline and the consistency around the system. Now, I've given you the blueprint. I want you to execute according to the plan. Trading is not a battleground. Trading is not meant to be a war zone. Trading is a process. And if you marinate the process the right way, you will get to that level of profitability without a doubt. So if you're tired of being the prey, start using the 15-minute rule tomorrow. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Start as soon as you can. And make sure you understand that when you use this rule, you'll never trade the same way again. And you'll see trading in a different way. Come back and thank me later. And be in a place where you understand that if you want to be a part of our Predator Zero Stress community, the link is down below, where you can join the team of predators who are on a mission to hunt liquidity and basically be profitable as much as we can in these markets. So the link is down below. With that said, you're going to want to lock into this video that's coming up. That's all about stress-free execution. With that said, I'll see you as soon as you hit play. Remember, your job is to trade the liquidity and not be the liquidity. Your job is to be the predator and not be the prey. I'll see you as soon as you hit play.